What's up, guys? Today I'm going to share with you a secret that's shared among so many successful investors. And I'm going to tell you what it is. I want you to know that it is possible to become a millionaire when investing in real estate as a side hustle. I will share with you 11 best tips that will change your life. For example, my first student bought a house in California and now collecting $2,500 in rent a month. Another student also decided to buy their first house after 20 years renting. Think of how much money was thrown into a monthly rentals instead of investing in real estate if they would own one property back then. One more student of mine bought a house and paying the mortgage the same amount that she paying for her rent before, $1,500 a month. So what sets successful investor apart from the rest? Well, most of them have the right mindset from the beginning. I want to discuss the difference between having a winning mindset versus not having a right mindset. It's about deciding to wake up at 5 a.m. daily or lazying in your pajama until 10 a.m. in the morning. It's the difference working on an exciting project on your weekend or just lounging around watching Netflix for 2 straight days. Of course, it does not mean you're working your butt off for 80 hours a week. You still have to strike a right balance that leaves enough time for you to rest, relax, and unwind. Having a winner mindset land me on the top 1% most successful financial consultant at Fidelity Investments. At the same time, I was making a killing in real estate investments with a value total about $1.5 million. So, how to develop a winner mindset? I will share with you 11 ways to develop a winner mindset. Before I get into it, I want to share with you how I could apply those tips in my life. Like many other successful investors, I believe everything starts with aiming for financial success while aiming for a lifestyle that I love. My dream is to be able to travel the world and to help other people. I also want to help educating other people about financial planning so that they could help themselves and their families to have a better future. That is why all of my course of action are focused solely on these goals. All my short-term and long-term goals have been clearly defined so that they inspire and lead me to reach my ultimate goals. So here are a few ways to have a winner mindset. Write down your goals. Writing down helps you to remember your goals and help you to strengthen your commitment to reach your goals. Some people keep a journal while others have a sticky note on their mirrors. Others even come up with a board that have pictures and inspirational message to help keep motivate them to reach their goals. Be creative and do whatever works best for you. Review your goals often. Give your brain a constant reminder as often as it needs. For some people, that is every morning. For others, it could be every couple of days. Just make sure they are always on top of your mind, guiding every step you take. Share your goals with other people. It could be your family, your friends, or your business mentors. One important thing is to make sure these people are with you and support you with everything you do. And they don't shoot your ideas down. Make winner friends. Look around to find any successful people who are good at what they do. Get to know them better and spend time with them. You should talk to them often and ask them what inspired them to get to their goals. It's important to learn from real winners. Read books and watch videos about winners. There is an unlimited source of stories and lessons about winners. Go to your local bookstore or library and find motivational books. Search videos and podcasts on the internet about winners and their journey towards their success. There will be one thing in common about them. They all have a winner mindset. Believe in yourself. Trust in your ability to soar high and trust that you could do things other winners do. If someone like me who did it, you could do it too. Let me share with you that English is not even my first language. I did not have my family or relatives here with me to show me how things done. I did not have friends who made it. I did not know what to do, but eventually I made it. You are in a much better position than me. Visualize your future. Imagine a future that you want. What does it look like? What will you be in the future? Where will you be? Who you will be with? I usually imagine my next trip to Europe. I also review pictures of my past trip and remember how much fun I had. I keep in touch with friends who I met on those trips. I also keep looking at brochures for my next trip. So visualize my next trips keeps me going every day. Set big goals. If you have to set some goals, why not go big? Don't limit yourself to goals that most people aim for. Set a big goal. You may not have heard of these goals, but you could borrow that from your mentors or people who inspire you. For example, it could be to become a millionaire in the next 2 years. It could be to launch your online business in the next 6 months, or even it could be to build your dream house in the next 5 years. Don't settle for anything less. Our society tends to set standard goals for us, and it's usually mediocre. Don't let people decide your future. You have all the tools and power to achieve your goals. Be consistent. It takes time to change your mindset. You have to want to change it every day. You have to do all these steps day in, day out until it comes naturally. It will be harder and slower in the beginning, but trust me, it will get easier and faster in no time. Keep practicing. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start to change your mindset today. Start to want to become a millionaire in real estate today. Be a winner today.